Welcome back to NZCS Tech Tips. Today, we're going to be looking at a few handy keyboard shortcuts to have. First is how to lock your computer screen. We're going to press Windows and L, and that's going to lock it. So let's take a look at that. So here's the Windows key and here's the L. Press those together and that will lock your screen. Next up is reopening a closed tab. So if you've accidentally closed off a tab, you can press Ctrl-Shift-T and it'll reopen for you. A closer look, Ctrl-Shift-T reopens your closed tab. Now we have how to take a screenshot. Screenshots can be really useful to send something to your friend, colleague, or even us to help diagnose a problem. So we're going to click Windows-Shift-S, drag the little cursor, and there's our screenshot. So if we take a closer look into that one, Windows, Shift and S all together, and then you have a screenshot. And next up, we have finding keywords. So what we're going to do is press Ctrl F, type in the word that we want to find, press enter, and it'll give us all of that on that page. This can be really helpful in Word docs, articles, or any other website. And again, it's Ctrl F all together, and then type in the keyword. And next, we have opening a new window. So to do so, you're going to press Ctrl N. So if we look at that a bit closer, it was Ctrl N all together, and you can open a new window. Now to go back to our previous window, we press Alt Tab and it reopens. Now if we hold and tap between tab, we can look at all of the windows currently open on our screen. So a closer look, Alt Tab, hold those down and flick through tab to choose. And finally, we have how to delete your previous word. So while typing, you can accidentally write the wrong word, or you just want to change it. So you can press Ctrl Backspace and the last word's deleted for you. And again, Ctrl Backspace to delete your previous word. Thank you for watching.